Okay, so it's time to change out our filters on our express water filtration system for our house today. So the first thing you want to do with these, to change these filters out, is you want to come over here and you want to open up your bypass valve and you want to shut your isolation valves that go into your filtration system. So these valves are really important when you install this system to have these valves set up this way, so that way when you shut off these isolation valves, you can change the filters without shutting off water to the whole house. So once you do that, then you want to come over here, and these buttons here, you want to push those buttons and bleed down the pressure. So you can see on the gauge right here, the pressure is at 0 right now, but you bleed down the pressure using each of these buttons. So the other thing you want to do is you want to make sure you got a bunch of towels down below, because you're going to get some water that's going to come out of this. There's no other way to get around that. So once you got your towels down, you got it bled down, you've got the bypass open and your isolation valves closed, then you want to take your wrench right here and you want to put your wrench on your filter housing. So remember the rule, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So once you get this wrench installed, these over time can get very, very tight and very difficult to open them. So what I like to use is a piece of pipe. So you put that piece of pipe on there, and then it gives you some mechanical leverage to be able to get that turned. So that's how that goes. So anyways, at that point, you can go ahead and remove your filter. Again, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So I'm loosening it right now. You kind of want to go slow, because when it lets go, it's going to go. And you can see a little bit of water leaking out. And that's okay. That's why you have the towels there. And then you drop it down, just like that. And then you want to just move it out of here. And for us, we've got a sink right here, which is really nice, because you can take this filter out of here and empty this in the sink. You can see all the sediment that's coming out of that filter. So then what you want to do is, you can see, if you want to look inside there, there's still some grit and dirt and stuff in there, so you want to wash that out really good. And then simply replace it with a new filter and reinstall. Easy as that. That's